Hello mga boss, this is Boss CL. So today, papunta tayo sa BGC. May pa-test ride si Triumph and gusto natin mag-try ng isa sa kanilang bike lineup, which is the Trident 660. Now, nakwento ko na before na ang dream bike natin is the CB650R. Maganda siya. The brand is already established. It's a 4-cylinder engine. Malakas siya pero the power is in the upper RPM range. Gusto sana natin is similar in characteristics sa KTM bikes natin, wherein the power band is on the mid-range. Now we're looking for that characteristic as well. So if we would be upgrading to a higher displacement bike kesa sa bike natin ngayon, we are really eyeing for the CB650R. But then there's one similar bike, retro looking as well, with the same engine displacement, 650 rin, actually 660, which is the Trident 660. The big main difference is 3-cylinder ang Triumph. Well, as we know, mas achievable ang peak torque ng 3-cylinder engine on lower RPM. So mas readily available yung torque niya. Well, mas maganda top end ng CB650R most likely, because it's a 4-cylinder. Nasa taas talaga ang peak power niya. But then since we will be using most of the time yung big bikes sa city, so mas kailangan natin yung availability of the torque and RPM on a lower RPM range. That's why we're very eager to look at how that Trident 660 actually performs. Unfortunately, wala tayong any opportunity or any chance na makapag-test ride ng 660 to confirm natin kung ganun nga. We tested the XSR 900 3-cylinder, but then it's 900cc. Wala pa tayo iba natin testing na 660, so this would be the first time. So kaya nag-sign up tayo for test ride ng Trident 660 for today sa Triumph BGC, and we'll soon find out how it behaves. Okay? O kung magugustuhan ba natin talaga. Okay? So kita-kita na tayo doon. Okay? See you there. Okay, so dito na kami sa BGC. Lapit na. Kakarin lang namin from Uptown Mall yung Triumph. Then, nagpa-schedule na tayo eh. So tara. Kami. Medyo madaming tao. Pang-anim kami. Madami. Unexpected. So, and interestingly, karamihan nung nakapila dito, mga naka-Huskies. Smart pila ng big, smart pila tsaka big pila. Upgrading most likely. So, hintay lang muna tayo. May libre silang pa-coffee. Inubos na ng gusto ko. Inubos na yung coffee na first 100 free coffee. So, ubos na. So, okay guys. So, this will not be a bike review or anything. Talagang ride impression lang ng Trident 660 kasi I'm really interested sa 660 as compared to the CB650R. Kasi if I would be upgrading, kahit nga nasabi ko kanina, those two bikes are my top choices. Parehas middleweight, tsaka parehas retro looking. So, yun. So, basically, ride impression lang to. Alright? Ayos mo na yan. Bigat? Alright guys. So, ito na yung permit. Punta na tayo sa baba. Test ride. Alright guys. So, ito yung bagong Trident. Ito-test ride natin. Okay. 4-cylinder. So dito lang daw siya within BGC. Okay siya, as in hindi jerky. Okay, quite different din sa Honda. So again, this is the first time. We're riding the Triumph Trident. Medyo aggressive yung una. And yes, definitely mas malakas siya kaysa sa ano. Mas ramdam yung torque. Quick shifter is very good kasi no jerk. Hindi siya jerky katulad ng KTM, but then when you rev, mas ramdam mo talaga yung ano, yung pull. A great trade-off. Actually mas type ko yung hirap ng hirap ng neutral. Hindi siya, honestly parang mas type, putay di ako kapag neutral. Yun, neutral. Actually mas gusto ko siya in terms of acceleration kesa doon sa Honda CB650R. Mas aggressive, which what I like. Ang hindi natin masusubukan dito is yung top end power nito. Iba pa rin kasi yung 4 cylinders as compared to the 3 cylinders. So may tendency maghingalog na to bandang, you know, pag mataas na yung RPM, mataas na yung speed. So dun magkakasubukan versus the 4 cylinder. Pero sa city, in terms of acceleration, considering saglit pa lang natin nagagamit to, ayos na ayos siya. I really like it. Mag-neutral. Yun. Quite honestly, maganda yung ano, I like how it accelerates. Quite good, quite good. Medyo init, okay lang. Medyo naninibago lang ako sa handlebar. For some reason parang nakaganon. Pero other than that, okay naman. It's very minimalist. Napaka-onti nung makikita ko sa dash. Tapos ang tahimik niya. Suspension wise, medyo stiff yung feeling ng suspension niya. Matigas-tigas. because this is a demo bike, medyo magaspang yung kanyang upper RPM. Medyo parang alam mo medyo gaspang ng konti. Pero as I said, this is a demo bike, so sorry, lumagpas tayo. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam ba't ako natataat sa bike na mahirap i-clutch, i-neutral. Tatapat ako sa bike na mahirap i-neutral. I don't know what needs to be done. Matigas yung ano, crank. You know? Lightweight it is. Lightweight naman. Mas magaling siya definitely compared to the CB. Iba pa rin yung shifter ni ano, ni CB650. Pero mas maganda yung pickup nito definitely. Laki, night and day. Dito tayo, baka lumagpas pa ulit tayo. So I think it's enough. Lang naman yung exhibit lang naman yung kailangan natin. Yun, bilis. Yopat. Yuhuu! Alright guys, so tapos na kami. Ang tagal na hinintay namin, almost 1.5 ang tinagal namin. Tapos yung test ride is just about, you know, 10 minutes. Paikot lang dito. Yan, paikot lang dito sa BGC. Then ano pa masasabi natin? Nasabi na natin kanina eh, it's better than the CB650R in terms of acceleration. I don't know how about sa top speed. Oo na maging advance compared sa CB650R being a 4-cylinder engine. Mas makakahinga siya on the top speed, top end of the RPM. But anyway, it's already 2 PM. Kaya na muna kami, hindi pa kami nag-lunch. Then basically that sums up the vlog for today. Okay, yun lang for now. I guess I end my vlog here. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.